welcome, traveler. You have found your way to the library of the sleepy scholar. Settle thy mind. Adjust thy blankets. Tonight, the candles are low, the world outside is silent, and thy spirit is ready for rest. Tonight, we descend. We are leaving the surface world of noise and sunlight to explore the great deep, the silent, crushing, beautiful abyss of our oceans. We shall walk through 50 facts of the deep, allowing each one to sink into thy consciousness like a stone settling into the silt of the seafloor. Close thy eyes now. Let us begin our journey into the blue. The deep ocean begins where the sunlight fails, approximately 200 meters below the surface. This threshold is called the twilight zone, a place of permanent evening. Below 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone, where not a single photon of sunlight has touched the water for millions of years. The average depth of the entire ocean is nearly 4,000 meters, or about 2.5 miles down. At the very bottom, the pressure is equivalent to having a large jet airplane resting on thy chest. The temperature in the deep stays at a constant, chilling 0 to 3 degrees Celsius. Because it is so cold, life moves slowly here. Heartbeats are far apart, breaths are shallow. The deep ocean is the largest habitat on our planet, yet we have explored less than 5% of it. In the absolute dark, many fish have lost their eyes entirely, relying instead on the vibration of the water. Others have eyes that point upward, searching for the faint silhouettes of prey against the dim light of the surface. Bioluminescence is the primary source of light here, the chemistry of living lanterns. The anglerfish uses a glowing lure to mimic a star, drawing small creatures into its reach. Some jellyfish release glowing clouds of ink to confuse predators, like a silent underwater firework. The dragonfish has teeth so transparent they are invisible, even when its mouth is wide open. Marine snow is the constant drizzle of organic material falling from the surface to feed the deep. It can take weeks for a single grain of food to fall from the waves to the abyss. The deep sea floor is covered in a soft, thick ooze, made of the shells of microscopic creatures from eons ago. In some places, this ooze is over 10,000 feet thick. The giant squid lives here, with eyes the size of dinner plates to capture every stray bit of light. These giants can grow to the length of a school bus. Yet they move as silently as a ghost. Hydrothermal vents are underwater chimneys that spew water heated to 400 degrees Celsius. Despite the heat, life flourishes here, huddled around the vents like travelers around a campfire. This life does not need the sun, it lives on chemosynthesis, turning chemicals into energy. Giant tube worms grow around these vents. They have no mouths and no stomachs. They rely on bacteria living inside them to turn the Earth's sulfur into food. The Dumbo octopus lives at depths of 4,000 meters, flapping its ear-like fins to fly through the dark. The cookie-cutter shark takes small, circular bites out of larger animals, leaving perfect, coin-shaped marks. Some deep-sea sponges are made of silica, effectively making them skeletons of glass. Break time equals 1.5. The glass sponge can live for over 10,000 years, perhaps the oldest living things on Earth. Whale falls occur when a whale passes away and sinks to the floor, providing a feast that lasts for decades. An entire ecosystem of zombie worms and sleeper sharks will live off a single whale fall. The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench, reaching nearly 11,000 meters down. If you dropped Mount Everest into this trench, its peak would still be 2 miles underwater. Only a handful of humans have ever visited the bottom of this trench. The pressure at the bottom is 8 tons per square inch. Even here, in the Hadal zone, small, translucent snailfish have been found swimming peacefully. Their bones are made of soft cartilage, which does not snap under the immense weight of the sea. Many deep-sea animals are red in color, because red light does not reach the deep, making them effectively invisible. The vampire squid does not drink blood, it uses long filaments to collect marine snow. Its scientific name means, vampire squid from hell, yet it is a gentle, drifting creature. Sound travels 4 times faster in water than in air, making the deep a hall of echoes. Low-frequency whale songs can travel for thousands of miles through the deep-sea sound channel. The deep ocean is a carbon sink, helping to regulate the temperature of our entire world. There are underwater lakes in the deep, with their own shores and surface waves made of extra salty brine. These brine pools are so salty that most things that swim into them perish, preserved in the brine. Break time. Deep-sea corals grow very slowly, sometimes only a few millimeters every year. Some of these coral reefs are over 40,000 years old. The deep is a library of the Earth's history, preserved in the cold and the dark. As you listen, the water above you is heavy, silent, and ancient. The deep ocean is the Earth's final frontier, a place of eternal, scholarly peace. The descent is over. We have reached the floor. Stay here in the quiet. Let the weight of the water press thy eyelids closed. You are safe in the dark. You are silent in the deep. Good night, traveler. Rest thy mind. Sleep, 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 / prosody.